Hello and welcome to All Taste German. If you've already watched some of my videos, you know that German bakeries offer more than 3,200 registered bread varieties. In this video, I will show you how to make a wonderful moist German potato bread. This bread tastes great and will keep fresh and soft for a whole week without any artificial ingredients. Let me show you how easily you can make a homemade German potato bread with very little work. Add flour, yeast and sugar to a bowl and blend briefly. Then add the warm water and knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and allow the dough to rise for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, cook the potatoes. Let the potatoes cool a bit and rice them. If you don't have a potato ricer, you can just peel and mash them. Then add the potatoes, salt and the eggs to the dough. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on the potatoes, you need to add gradually up to 4 more cups of flour. Make sure the dough is still soft. It is normal for the texture to appear soft and sticky. Cover the dough and let it rise for about 1 hour. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place a large heat-proof bowl or pan with water in the oven. I like to use a casserole pan. Then add the dough to a well-floured working area. As I said, the dough will be pretty sticky. Make sure to sprinkle flour on top and the sides of the dough. Then tuck the ends of the dough under in a circular motion to round it. Now you just need to sprinkle the bread lightly with flour and slash it with a sharp knife. Bake the bread in a preheated oven for about 40 to 60 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though the bread tastes great while it's warm, it will taste even better the next day. Guten Appetit!